Welcome back to the Productivity Podcast, where I give you a daily productivity tip so you can get the most out of your time, your talent, and your ideas. I'm your host, Brandon White. Here we go. Ever find yourself asking yourself, why have I been so tired lately? We'll talk about the reason you're tired sometimes more than others, what the science says, and end with 4 science-backed ways to boost your energy right away. And no, it's not an espresso shot. It turns out scientists have been cracking the code on fatigue, and the answer isn't just more caffeine or getting an extra few hours of sleep. Rather, feeling energized is all about how your brain interrupts your energy levels, not just how much food or rest you're getting. Get ready because we're about to flip the script on fatigue. Studies show that about 1 in 5 adults worldwide report feeling TAT, that's tired all the time. And while you might think this is due to lack of sleep or even not eating right, which can contribute, but isn't the whole story, research by neuroscientists like Lisa Feldman Barrett and Martin Picard suggests that it's actually your brain's energy budget that determines how tired you feel. Your brain doesn't just measure fuel in and fuel out. It predicts how much energy you'll need based on stress, emotions, and even social support. That's why you can wake up after a full night's sleep and still feel exhausted just thinking about your inbox or the day ahead. Your brain is already anticipating what's to come and in effect making you feel tired before your body is actually tired. So how do you shift your mind's energy prediction? You've got to take control of your thoughts around stress. Picard's research found that stress increases cellular energy consumption by 60%. That's like your body running an unnecessary marathon while you're sitting at your desk. So not only did your brain make you feel tired before your body was actually tired, but now the stress is draining your real energy. So let's give you some practical things on how to fix this with 3 things you can do. Number 1, deep rest practices. Meditation and relaxation techniques reduce your brain's need to conserve energy. Research from Alyssa Eppel of UC San Francisco suggests deep rest can actually reset your energy balance. Number 2, avoid sugar spikes and go for balanced meals. If you do eat something sweet, make sure you have a good amount of protein to balance it out. That will help not spike your insulin levels. Number 3, exercise. And when you do exercise, do it with positive people. A study from the University of Oxford found that people who exercised with supportive friends lasted longer and burned more calories before feeling exhausted. Translation: surround yourself with positive people on your runs, your bike rides, or just your workouts. Heck, weed them out from your everyday life too. They're sucking your energy. Do that, and your energy levels will increase. So the next time you're feeling drained, remember, it's not just about sleep or food. Your brain, your stress levels, and even your social circle play a huge role. Start applying these energy hacks today and watch your energy and, in turn, your productivity soar. Your move. Hey, real quick before you go, please remember to hit follow on your podcast player. You won't miss any episodes, and it helps support us bring you the show daily. Thanks for listening. We'll talk tomorrow.